Checking your social media activity is important to make sure everything looks good and works well. It helps you to see which posts people like, what isn't working, and if your social media profiles match your goals. You can get rid of any old or inactive accounts and find ways to improve how your channels look. It also helps with keeping up to date with trends and changes to platforms so your content stays interesting. Doing this regularly makes your brand more effective and helps people to trust what your pub is saying. You can review your existing social media performance using the native analytics that's built into most social media platforms. You should be looking at your engagement rates, that's how many likes, comments and shares you've had, your follower growth over time, and the types of posts that perform well. A great stat to look at on a monthly basis is your reach. This means how many social media users have you been able to get your posts in front of. Platforms like Instagram will break this down between followers and non-followers, so you can understand just how likely it is to get in front of brand new people. You can break this down by content type, and you can also have a look to see what your top performing content was and also what profile activity took place, such as people visiting your profile and people tapping on the link in your bio. You can download our audit cheat sheet in the notes of this video. This cheat sheet should help you to understand ways that you can quickly improve your social media content and your profiles.